How to recover my eyes only deleted pictures on Snapchat. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Snapchat app. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. From here, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now go ahead and scroll down. Here under account actions, you will find the option of my data. Select that. Now find the option export your memories. All of your my eyes only photos and videos will be in this section. So go ahead and select that. Now tap on next. Now you want to select the date range. You can select all time over here. Then tap on submit. Now Snapchat will create a copy of files. This process can take a long time, so you need to wait. After that, you will receive an email when your export is ready. You simply want to open that email, and inside that you will find my eyes only deleted pictures. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.